XRP just broke an ETF record that even Bitcoin and Solana could not touch. A brand new XRP spot ETF has officially launched, and it surprised everyone by pulling in $58 million of trading volume on the very first day. This is now the highest first-day volume of any ETF launched in 2025, and almost no one saw it coming. Let's talk about why this is such a big deal. Canary Capital has rolled out its new spot XRP ETF under the ticker XRPC, and the launch was explosive. The fund hit $58 million in day one volume, beating the previous 2025 record set by Bitwise's Solana staking ETF, which did $57 million. XRPC moved $26 million in the first hour alone, which is a clear signal of extremely strong early demand. On top of that, the ETF pulled in roughly $245 million in net inflows on day one, showing that institutional buyers came in heavy. This matters because it marks the strongest ETF debut out of almost 900 ETFs launched this year. XRPC now gives investors in the United States the closest thing to direct, fully regulated exposure to XRP that they can get. It also shows that traditional finance wants altcoin exposure much faster than anyone expected. Analysts are calling this a major milestone for XRP because it boosts liquidity, it brings new institutional capital into the ecosystem, and it strengthens the narrative that altcoin ETFs are rapidly moving into the mainstream. There is a bigger picture developing here. Competition around altcoin ETFs is heating up. Earlier in the year, Rex Shares launched XRPR, a hybrid ETF blending spot XRP with other XRP-related assets. But Canary's XRPC stands out because it is the first in the United States to offer pure spot XRP exposure under the 1933 Securities Act. That structure makes it more straightforward and much more attractive for institutions that want clean exposure without added complexity. If XRPC continues performing like this, it could speed up approval momentum for other altcoin ETFs such as ADA, LTC, and HBAR. We are already seeing the early market impact. XRP price momentum could pick up as capital flows in from traditional markets. Traders are positioning for increased volatility, and the strong debut of XRPC adds weight to the idea that ETF-driven altcoin cycles may become a new trend as we move toward 2026. We will keep tracking how this ETF shapes market flows from here. Make sure you hit subscribe so you do not miss tomorrow's update, and search BTCC to check the latest campaigns and start trading with our bonuses.